Hey guys, today I will explain you how to host multiple domains and on only one hosting. You don't need several hostings. So let's begin. So let's enter to our cPanel. So after that, we will go to the part of domains. Of, so let's go down to domains. Here is it. So click on domains. After that, it will give us all the domains that are installed or added to this hosting. So let's create a new domain. So here we write the name of our website or the domain that we want to add. We can do unlimited websites adding to only one hosting. We don't need a lot of them. So for us, for example, our website is gregjewelry.com. So do not click on share document root because it will share the document root of the domain that is hosted on this hosting. It is the first domain. It's the root domain. So we don't want that because it will not work. Our domain will not work. So we want a separate path document or path folders for our domain. So we can install WordPress or other applications, so CMS. So let's wait some seconds. Congratulations, here is our domain is added to the other domains that are hosted on this hosting. So as we see, so there is our domain, Greg Jewelry, and the directory of this domain. So after that, we can create professional image from here, and also let's check the folder of this domain. Let's go to Tools, File Manager. After that, let's check on the folder of our domain. We will see the name of our website. Here is it. So after we enter, it is empty after we install WordPress as shown in the previous video. You will see the files of your WordPress installation there. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.